This is a really quick video. You know, sometimes people don't look up things at all. See how that's broken? Dorman number right there, 76989. Fits Chrysler and Ford. This guy right here, easy. This piece right here is, well, this piece right here, it just broke off. And this piece right here is, well, this piece right here. You can see they're the same. See that step? See that step? So now I'm going to go ahead and put this thing back on so that my lock works, and I have to take all this glue off here because the previous owner, the truck that I took this out of, because I'm putting it in my truck, taped it for some reason. This thing's $13 for crying out loud. Like, if this is in the States, like, you look up that Dorman number, what is in the States or anywhere else for that matter? Because up here from Part Source, it cost me $13.99 from Dorman. Like, come on. So anyways, I'm going to install that. And there you go. From broken to this thing flexes over like this, grabs hold of that, and she's brand new, so there, now she's tight. And get that off, just lift that up, bend that over. Look at that. Now, I don't know how many times I'm going to do that before that breaks, but at least now I have a part number, and so do you. So don't tape it up. Put a new one on there. Thanks for watching.